Hey Pit Masters! Today we're going to take a look at a $400 steak. But that's not the big question. The big question is, what do you eat with it? I spread out all of my ingredients of today on the table for the thumbnail. Denise, come on, let's take the thumbnail. The butchery kindly provided us with this beautiful, beautiful Wagyu steak. 1 kilogram of top quality Wagyu steak. This is a, well, I don't know, do you read Japanese, Martin?
Yeah, it's a steak basically. That's what it says.
Yeah, well on the back it says Entrecot Kyoto Miyabi Wagyu A5 BMS 12 Plus. This is top quality. It doesn't get any better than this. This is like, look, you just have to, normally I say look at the intramuscular fat. But now I have to say look at the intrafetular muscular. You know, where's the meat? That's the big question. Look at it. This is as good as it gets. Today, it's a sideshow to what we're going to eat with this steak. Let's take it out of the package so Denise can make a thumbnail. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. What a beauty. All right, back to business, ready with the thumbnail. Time to take a look at the real story behind this steak. We've made so many steak videos so far, and we had actually a couple of them having this €400 steak as the masterpiece in the center, front and center, with the sauce with it, clear, just with salt, made perfect, any way we knew how. But a lot of people ask me the question, well, if I serve it just with a little bit of salt, people are not going to be happy. We want to serve it with something. And this is where I came to think of, well, what would people love to do most? And I got confused there. I got all mangled up. Because in America, when I go to the States, I eat steak and fries. The same thing in Canada, it's steak and fries. When you come to the Netherlands, it's steak and potatoes. If it's mashed potatoes or crumpy potatoes, or same in the UK, you get potatoes. In the South Americas, you also get potatoes. If you go to Asia, you get rice. If you go to the Mediterranean, you get pasta. What am I going to do with it? Well, how am I going to make like the ultimate side dish that everybody will like? And I came to the conclusion, we need to figure this thing out. We need to find out. We need to do a test. If you grill a Wagyu steak, is it better with rice? Is it better with pasta? Is it better with potatoes? We're going to do it right now. So we're going to be peeling these potatoes, we're going to be cooking the rice, we're going to be frying up our fries, and we're going to be cooking some pasta. Starting off with peeling some potatoes. Denise? Peel the potatoes. I have an idea. If I am the person that peels the potatoes, because I grew up peeling potatoes. My mother made me peel the potatoes before cooking potatoes, and if you just cook the rice, because you grew up on rice.
I never peeled a potato.
Seriously? You never peeled a potato before? Comment down below if you've never peeled a potato. Is that even possible? Everybody ate a potato at some point and peeled it. How do you cook the potato then?
We eat rice.
We eat rice. You eat your rice or you get out of here.
Let me peel a potato. I want to try.
Yeah. Okay, let me finish this one. Good job!
I cut my finger!
Oh my God, you're bleeding!
Here.
Get out of my way. How do you cut your finger peeling a potato? It's easy. You rotate the potato and you peel it. Everything is cooked to perfection. We got this beautiful rice, basmati rice, cooked for 10 minutes. Then we let it sit for another 10 minutes. We made beautiful crispy French fries. Super crunchy, fried in beef tallow. What more can you want? And then the ultimate Dutch potato. This is the Nicolai potato. Hard boiled and really sturdy potato with a lot of flavor. And also we have the ultimate spaghetti. Look at it. Beautiful spaghetti. And it tastes so good, this stuff. Secco. Amazing. I love my pasta. Now you know how to peel potatoes.
You kind of.
Every Dutch guy loves a girl that can peel a good potato. Comment down below if you like your woman to cook potatoes and she peels it. Now it's time for the big giant, our steak, because it's nice that we're cooking all these side dishes, but eventually if you don't have a steak to go with it, what are you gonna do with all this food? We got beautiful Wagyu steak, $400 worth of meat. Straight from Japan, never been frozen, amazing stuff. Our Kamado Joe Big Joe is already fired up and it's hot, ready to go. Time to put our steak on. I'm going to place this steak on the lowest grill grade, making sure that we get the most heat on the steak and getting a beautiful sear on it. Now it's important that you don't season your steak up front. Never season your steak up front. We want to season it afterwards with a finishing salt. It will give the steak much more texture, much more flavor experience. Definitely do not season up front. Afterwards is better. We've tested this many times and we've gotten the same result every single time. So definitely give this a try. Get some pyramid salt and season afterwards. We're looking for a core temperature of 52 degrees Celsius. While cooking the steak, we're going to leave the top vent open. It will show us the amount of smoke that our steak is creating, and by that way we know how much fat is rendering down and falling into the fire. And at the same time we can hear what the steak is doing. We can hear the knisper and we know what's going on. Right now I'm hearing we're getting a lot of flames. So if we take a closer look, we know we need to flip that steak and make sure we get a sear on the other side as well. Our steak is done. We reached our desired core temperature. Now we're going to cut it into 4 parts. Each plate is going to get its own piece of steak. We're going to let the steak rest on the pasta, on the rice, of course on the fries, and finally on the potatoes as well. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of that promised salt on top of the steaks while it's resting. Now while the steaks are resting, some of the juices that are in the steak and some of the fat that still is rendering down is going onto our pasta, onto our rice, onto our potatoes and onto our fries, and it's going to soak in there. And that's how you know it's going to be even better than it was before. Bum, bum, bum. Now it's time for the commercial. We'll be right back. So we can have a commercial right here.
Commercial.
You want a commercial?
Yeah.
What do you think it's going to be about, the commercial? Warlord Games or something? Like a game?
So much fun. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Let's play this game. Have you heard of this game?
No, I haven't. I'll download it. I'll download it right now. Oh, it's amazing.
Oh my god. That was such a good commercial.
Oh, I loved it. YouTube has the best commercials ever.
I know.
Man, I love YouTube commercials. I wish you could have more commercials in the videos.
Right? We can have another one.
Yeah? Let's do one right now. Sorry for all of the commercials. Hope you guys don't mind. We'll start with our pasta and our Wagyu steak first time. Come on, Denise.
No, you slice it.
I'll slice it. I'm just
slice.
gonna take a little bite. Right out of that steak. Take my steak knife. Looking good. Looking good. A little bit of that pasta on there. Some of the Wagyu fat. Look at it. Who wouldn't want to eat that? Cheers! There we go. This is really good. Wagyu and pasta, definitely approved. It makes the pasta nice and greasy, and the beef flavor really complements the pasta. It's like the pasta almost comes to life. You can eat as much as you like. We got enough. We have a kilogram of Wagyu and I think almost a kilogram of pasta, so I think we're good. There we go. This is a really good way to eat pasta. It's the best sauce for pasta ever. I almost want to stay at the pasta and just eat the whole plate. This is your expertise. Looking good. I want a bit of that rice and the Wagyu sauce.
Oh, it's so hard.
There's a hair on my Wagyu beef. But it's true, it's reality TV. It's gone now.
Let's go to the commercial, please.
How is it?
Good,
Yeah?
but and then just eat it first.
It's good.
Really good.
The Wagyu is amazing. But it's a bit weird.
Ah, it's a bit weird. I think I like the pasta better.
The rice is kind of like, it goes all through your mouth. So if you're eating, the rice shoots in the back behind your teeth and you're struggling to get the rice out. Whereas the pasta is just there in your mouth. Not a good combination. I'd rather have like a sauce to go with rice, so you can make the sauce stick to the rice. I think that's better.
Yeah.
Moving on to the fries.
This is not steak and fries. You missed something.
Mayonnaise. No!
No!
Not the ketchup!
No, Morrison.
That's steak
No.
and fries.
No.
No.
No ketchup.
They eat it with ketchup.
If
Who
you
is
want
they?
anything, yes, they don't exist anymore. No ketchup with your fries, Morrison.
No.
No.
No. Go
Not-
away.
Not here. No, and never. Maybe mayonnaise, but a good quality mayonnaise. We'll eat it like this.
We're the ones eating. We decide. Cheerios.
Cheers. Cheerios. Cheers. Yeah. That's good. I expected that the steak would make the fries soggy. But actually, the flavor is really good together. It's like eating a jus with your steak.
like
It's
it.
almost like poutine. In Canada, they have this thing called poutine where they put gravy on top of their fries. Is
like
that? Yeah, it's good. It's good. One more bite just to make sure. I never had ketchup with fries and steak before.
I wouldn't.
No? Morrison, did you have it before? Keep it real. Okay. I really do not like this idea. I really despise
Tomato
this.
sauce.
Now, there we go. Now,
Do you like it?
you want to try? Okay.
I'm not sure. No.
Yeah. Give your honest opinion. Just give your honest opinion.
Tiny little bit. Not that much.
Don't eat your fries and steak with ketchup. It's horrible. And if you have a good steak, it's gonna ruin everything. Even if you have good fries, it's gonna ruin your fries. Oh. Who came up with this idea? I cannot say that the potato doesn't win. We're Dutch.
I feel like I'm gonna like the ketchup better than potato.
Ketchup better than potato? No way, you didn't just say that. Yeah. Just look at Denise's face. It's good, right? You don't like it? Denise doesn't like it. It's really good. That's a fantastic potato. I have to agree, the pasta tastes better.
Yeah.
Even if everybody in the Netherlands is going to say the potato's better. But you can't say this is not good. Come on, it's a tasty potato. Marcel, you gotta help me, brother. You gotta help me. All right, let me get you a slice. Nice slice of steak. A bit of potato. These are the most gorgeous potatoes you ever seen. So creamy, so tasty. You're gonna love this, Marcel. Come on. Hit me with the truth. It's good.
That Wagyu.
Yeah, the Wagyu is fantastic. But we're now talking about the potatoes with the Wagyu.
I like it. I'm a Dutch guy. I like it.
It's good,
I'm
right?
honest. Yeah, I like it.
Don't listen to Denise. She's just my sidekick. Don't really take her serious. I think we came to a conclusion, right? You normally eat rice. We normally eat potatoes. We both like it as a flavor profile. But even though this is the normal thing that we go to, we also had a lot of fries with our steak. But we love the pasta more with the steak.
Yeah, if you're gonna eat them together, I
Yes.
would go for the pasta.
It's the best way to do it. So if you really want to enjoy your steak, cook some pasta to go with it and take a seriously good pasta. And if you don't know what that is, just ask an Italian guy in your neighborhood or hit someone up on internet, or I'm sure someone will link their favorite pasta down below in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, big thumbs up and comment down below. Big thank you to all of our patrons and the YouTube members. You guys freaking rock! Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Spectacular.
and keep on grilling.
Back to the commercial.
Boom. No more commercials.
Why not?
No, we have to stop that. People will run away. We have to give Morrison more pasta with the steak. Come on, Morrison, come get your pasta. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, brother. Wagyu with pasta. $25 bite. There you go, brother.
$25. Wagyu in the air.
Come on. Hit me with the truth.
He's like, nah.
I like it.
Better
I
than
wanna
potatoes?
It's weird. I didn't expect it because I was complaining about the pasta without sauce.
Give him the fries with the ketchup.
Oh yes, we're gonna poison you, Morrison. See you guys next time.